Hello, and welcome to another update video about Gala. Daily update here for Gala. The problem that we still have here with this chart is that we head deeper and deeper into our support region. All the way down to 3.35 cents is possible and likely in the current scenario. As I said in the last few days, if price breaks and sustains below 3.35 cents, that is here the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement. If we do that, then we have to think about a change in the wave count. There is then one more bullish setup left all the way down to 2.57 cents, but price is dropping, quite a poor performer yesterday as well. I think at least what I've read, to be honest, I'm not too deep into fundamentals, and often there is no need because fundamentals are typically priced into the chart anyway. I mean, we see that at the moment, yeah. But there seem to be some concerns about that token upgrade. I'm not dealing with fundamentals too much, but I think Coinbase isn't supporting it, and so on. And I'll look into it a bit further. But I'm not the fundamentals expert. It just obviously shows its effects in the charts at the moment. And the point is, this descending wedge, in my opinion, is still valid. It just purely extended out. But obviously we're heading now closer and closer to that 78.6 retracement, and below that level this particular 1-2 setup is just going to get much less likely. As I said before, it's phenomenal reward to risk ratio from here, because the third wave rally could eventually take us to, I think it's 6 cents and then eventually 10 cents. But of course, first of all, we need to see some kind of a reaction here. So far there is no reaction that would be deemed, that we could argue the trend is changing here. It just isn't, right? So I show you here a relevant support area, but I also have to tell you that Gala is obviously not showing any reaction at the moment, right? So we cannot really call out a bottom or anything here. A break out of the wedge would be a first step. That would be a first indication that, yeah, trend might be shifting here, but so far we don't see anything. And then further confirmation that the downtrend, the local downtrend, this correction is over, would be if price can break above 4.2 cents. Until then, the lower degree wave count, or the lower degree trend, is down, and we just have to go with the trend until the end, right? So I can only tell you, okay, there are some support levels coming. The bulls obviously need to show up, but what the knowledge of this analysis, the knowledge that it can give you is that, yeah, we've got one key level here, but if we break and sustain below that level, the imminent bullish setup is going to become much less reliable and likely. There is still one more bullish setup left with support down to 2.57 cents. If we break below that as well, it would at least increase likelihood significantly that we are going to head for new bear market lows. Yeah, this is sort of the best summary I think I can give you at present. We just need a little bit more patience and need to see, can price turn around here. It certainly is challenging given Bitcoin's price structure as well. If Bitcoin breaks to the downside, I think Gala will have some trouble holding this. Again, there is one more bullish setup left, and I think at least probabilities currently increase that it will break below support here, unfortunately. It's coming closer and closer. It doesn't show any reaction, and it rather is, and that's the reason for concern. It's increasing negative momentum now, yeah. That's actually the problem. It is increasing negative momentum. However, let's see. Yeah, no, it's increasing negative momentum. No good news on the daily MACD. I have to say that absolutely. The daily MACD is increasing negative momentum again. It was on a good way. It was reducing negative momentum. Now it's increasing again. If it's doing that close to support, it's a warning. Yeah, I can only give you that warning in this video. We still have scope to go before we head really into an oversold zone, as we were here end of December. This was oversold on the daily and it broke to the upside, yeah, quite significantly. But there is still space, yeah. On the 4-hour chart, we are in the oversold range, absolutely. But so far, whenever we've done that in the last few weeks, it was not really a significant reaction to the upside. But yeah, we need to see it. It's just on the daily, momentum to the downside is increasing, and that's really not a very good sign at the moment. But I'll keep you updated. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.